Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Vikrant and today we are going to discuss a cue card which is describe an ambition that you have not achieved. So let's start. Everybody have a lot of ambitions in their life. Some they achieve and some don't. So here I would like to talk about one of my ambition which I always wanted to achieve. That is, I always wanted to become a celebrity, but unfortunately I did not succeed. I appeared for a lot of auditions, but I was not selected. Even I have taken a lot of classes, as well as I have appeared for National School of Drama so that I can achieve my ambition. After that, when I did not achieve anything, somebody recommended me to start my YouTube channel so that I can show the world the kind of talent I have. Fortunately, my videos were liked and I get a huge audience over social media as well. I really feel happy whenever they share my work with their friends and their near and dear ones. The best part is that even they send me gifts because they really like me a lot. I really feel happy whenever they give me compliments as well. I hope that one day one of my video or one of my short will get viral and I would be a celebrity one day, which is still uncompleted. I have not achieved it yet. Hopefully in the near future I will definitely achieve it. So that was an ambition which I haven't achieved. Thank you so much. If you like the video, do not forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends.